In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Google Sheets handles minus symbols. Whether you're dealing with numbers, formulas, or text, these little symbols pack a big punch in your spreadsheets, and understanding them can really make your data work smoother and clearer. First, let's delve into the minus sign as a subtraction operator. In Google Sheets, when you want to subtract numbers or values in different cells, you simply use the minus sign, like this. Equal sign A1 minus B1. This is a basic formula that supports cell references, literal numbers, or a combination of both. It's straightforward and one of the most fundamental operations you can perform. Additionally, if you're keen on using functions, Sheets offers the minus function. You'd write it as equal sign, minus, then your first value followed by your second value, all within parentheses. Just remember, this function accommodates only two arguments. It's clean and simple, but limits the number of items you can directly subtract. Moving on to the minus sign as a negative sign for negative numbers, Google Sheets automatically places a minus sign before a number to indicate negativity. This happens when your numbers are formatted normally, and it's a pretty universal way of showing that value is below zero. If you wish to make these numbers stand out more, perhaps in red for better visibility, you can head into Custom Number Formats. This allows you to differentiate how negative values appear without altering the numbers themselves. However, if the objective is to simply get rid of the minus while keeping the number's value in play, the ABS function comes in handy. This nifty tool converts your negative number into its positive counterpart by giving you the absolute value. Now, let's explore how minus signs function as text rather than part of a formula. If you type something like minus 123 into a cell, Google Sheets generally interprets this as a negative number. To ensure Sheets sees this input as text, you can type an apostrophe before it, like so, apostrophe, minus 123. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain the exact appearance without engaging any numerical operation or formula. However, do be cautious when pasting data that has a leading plus or minus. Sheets might attempt to automatically treat this as a formula and not simply as text. Finally, customizing how you display these symbols can be remarkably powerful. You have the option to set custom number formats, such as +0, semicolon, -0, semicolon 0, which distinctly shows a plus for positive numbers and a minus for negative ones. This affords you precise control over your data's appearance, perfecting the visual clarity of your sheets without altering the underlying data. By mastering these simple yet crucial ways of handling minus symbols and other sign indicators, you can enhance your efficiency in Google Sheets significantly. Happy computing!